Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Sales coming to you live from Asia. This is our evening update, guys. This is the Ric Flair of crypto. This is the OG in the house. This is the OG of crypto. The O to the G to the C to the crypto. Wow, guys, we got a great day. It's a fantastic green day here in Asia. It's Saturday. We're seeing green, green, green. The green machine's on fire, right, guys? And it's a great day to be alive, guys. Woo! Let's get it, guys. And remember, we got a lot to talk about right now. Dogecoin, boom, massive gains, guys, massive gains right now. Right now, the whole market is exploding. BTC is up, Doge is up, Ethereum is up, and the market cap is up a massive, almost 6% right now. It's unbelievable. Boom. You know, BTC is now past 43,800. Wow. Our next stop is 50K. We're definitely going to get there. 50K is coming in there. Doge is on fire. We've passed 21 cents. Our next stop is 23 cents. You know it. I know it. You hear. And once we get past that 23 cents, boom, we're going to hit 30 cents. It's absolutely incoming. And Ethereum will absolutely retest 33K and get past $3,000 today. I believe it. I think once the Americas open up, we're going to see $3,000 incoming. You know it. I know it. Woo, let's get it, guys. So right now, I just want to say, wow, everything is on fire. You're on fire. Woo, let's get it. Like I said, they're absolutely on fire. On fire right now. And you know, I really believe that we're going to see $50,000 coming in for Bitcoin. If that happens, Dogecoin to hit 30 cents, it's a no-brainer, guys. So that being said, guys, please go back, check my other videos, do it right now. You guys have to do it. We have tons of videos. Get the watch count out. Remember, we're giving away one Ethereum when we hit 50,000 subscribers. And remember, right now we got 47,200 subscribers. We're not too far off, guys. If you want to be in it to win it, all you got to do is subscribe, like. Don't forget to do that right now, guys. Get it while it's hot. Woo! I'm so fired up. I can't believe that we're having a beautiful green day. Guys, also, I have to tell you this. This is so important that you guys listen to this. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. In no way can this be construed as financial advice. This is just me offering my opinion, guys. I'm just offering my opinion, and you guys have to do your own risk management. That's really, really important that you do that. So make sure you do that. Check the tokenomics, check the projects, and watch out for nasty scammers in the contents. So with that being said, let's jump into it right now. Let's jump into it. Let's jump into it. Let's jump into it. Are you guys excited? I'm so fired up. All right, guys. So let's jump into a Bitcoin chart right now. So as you guys can see, you know, Bitcoin right now is trading at 44,000. 444. It's on fire, guys. It's totally on fire. You can see we formed a higher low here. We formed a higher low right here, guys. And look, we went up. We had a bit of a correction. We've gone up, and we're absolutely blasting out, guys. We're blasting up, and we're absolutely following this Wyckoff pattern to a T, guys. So why is this all happening? Why is Bitcoin exploding? Well, there's two reasons. Let me jump into it right now. One of the reasons right now is, as you guys know, that J.P. Morgan, led by Jamie Dimon, the master of disaster, the guy that was creating all the FUD during the China crackdown, the China meltdown. That's one reason that right now, you know, J.P. Morgan, they've opened their cryptocurrency fund to the wealthiest clients and banks, and that's really important. And what that's done is it has created a lot of outflow of exchanges, and I'll show you that data. The other reason why we're seeing everything going up is because Bitcoin, Doge, has been down for so long. We hit the bottom. We actually hit the bottom. This bull run is not over, and we had no choice but to go upside. And you can see, if you look at all the exchange outflow, you can see here we had huge outflow of Bitcoin, here and here, huge outflow of Bitcoin. Let's zoom up on that. So you can see we had all these massive outflows of Bitcoin from all the exchanges, and this coincided with J.P. Morgan releasing its fund. Now, this got to us August 5th, but when in fact J.P. Morgan actually released that fund, this was way back in July 28th. Remember, that's when we had that big boom, and one of the reasons why we had that massive upside was because J.P. Morgan, they had opened and started a crypto fund and offering this fund to institutions, their bank clients, and their wealthiest clients. So that's one of the reasons why we're seeing massive upside to Bitcoin. And as you guys know, that this is huge. I think that we're going to hit 50,000. 50,000 is only right here. This is 50,000 right here, guys. This is 50,000. We're only about right now. We're only about under 6K, $5,400, $5,600 away from hitting 50K. That's easy peasy. Once we hit 50K, 60,000 is right here. That's also not too far away. So I really predict that by the middle of August, we should be, at 50K, no brainer. 60K by the end of August, no brainer, guys. We're getting there. Absolutely, we're going to get there. So some other interesting information. Another reason we're seeing Bitcoin, go to the moon, boom, go to the moon, is because look, we saw July here when we had the really low. There was one of the lowest times in many years of the hash rate going down, and now the hash rate's coming back. So this is also another signal, another bull indicator, another indicative indicator. And even despite all of this tax flood that's going around right now, all of this tax flood, this infrastructure bill that's going around, Bitcoin is still on fire. All right, guys, let's jump into the Ethereum price right now. So another thing, before I jump into Ethereum price, look at the Wyckoff. Tell me right now, look at the Wyckoff pattern. The Wyckoff pattern in the traditional form went up, we went up. It shows going down. Then it shows a small peak going up. And then it shows a massive incline. We're following the Wyckoff pattern to the T. Sure, there's a bit of a delta between here and here, but if you look where we are right now in terms of the Wyckoff pattern, we're exactly where we should be. So tell me that we're not going to see, 50, 60,000 playing out very soon. And on this Wyckoff pattern, the way it's overlaid on the chart, we're looking at $60,000 by the end of August, guys. $60,000. If we can hit $60,000, August, September, October, November, December, 4 months away, and that only means we have to pick up another 40K to hit 100K. And if we can hit $100,000 Bitcoin, we can absolutely hit a $1 to $1.50 Dogecoin. Woof, woof, to the moon, guys. It's happening. It's happening right in front of our eyes. So look at Ethereum. Ethereum here, as you guys can see, we have formed this double bottom, I've been talking about, and we have broke to the upside, and we are just continuing on. Right now we're at, we've broken past our 3,000. In my video that I, released in the morning and in the afternoon, I told you that Ethereum would break past $3,000 today, and it did exactly as the OG predicted. We've gone past 3,000. Where do I see ourselves going by Monday? We could retest 3,500. I think 3,500 range right here is very probable, very doable. Where do I see Ethereum going by the end of the month? Well, I really see that if we can hit a $50,000 Bitcoin, I can see us definitely going all the way up, probably, and hitting 4K. I think 4K is definitely in the cards. Yeah, we might have a little bit of correction here, but definitely 4K is definitely in the cards. I believe it. You believe it. And look at all of the Ethereum that's been burnt. Right now we're burning $8,717 worth of Ethereum. It's huge, guys. And look at the current ETH admissions. As we're burning more and more tokens, Ethereum is becoming more and more green friendly. There's been some talk. One Bloomberg analyst said that the crypto quant CEO said that it is absolutely possible for Ethereum to overtake Bitcoin in terms of market cap. That's not going to happen this year, but that is possible. $10,000 Ethereum by the end of the year, absolutely possible. Is it going to happen? Definitely. I mean, we could even see $15,000 coming in for Bitcoin. It's even possible. But my bearish scenario for Ethereum is absolutely $10,000 coming in. So I'm just so pumped. I'm so psyched. And if we look at some of the on-chain data, let me give this a quick refresh. I'm so excited. I'm on fire. Woo! You guys should be excited too. So right now, if we look at our on-chain data, 97% of all Ethereum holders are in profit right now. In profit. Can you believe it? 63% of all Ethereum holders have been holding Ethereum for more than 1 year, guys. And 32% have been holding for less than from 1 month to 12 months. It's absolutely phenomenal. And it's just interesting. We have more interest in the East than we do in the West for Ethereum. It's totally bearish. Everything is just on fire right now. If we look at our fear and greed index, let me give this a quick refresh, guys. Look at that. We've moved from 52 neutral, and now we're moving into the greed, guys. It's totally, absolutely amazing. It's astonishing. I can't believe this is happening. It's happening right in front of our eyes, guys. Can you see what's happening, guys? So we've got the EIP. We've got the EIP burn. We've got all the data. And if we go here, and if we look at the rainbow chart for Bitcoin right now, we are moving out of the green, and we're starting to move in this area, which is, amazing, guys. So the people are going to start FOMOing in anytime soon. And when people start FOMOing into Bitcoin, when people start FOMOing to Dogecoin, what's that going to do to the price? It's going to take the price to the moon. So let's jump into our Doge right now. Wow. Look at Doge, guys. Exactly as I predicted. This is a line where I painted that. We had a double bottom here. We went up. We went up here. We formed a newer, higher low. We went up again, formed a higher low, and now we're breaking out, guys. I drew this morning and this afternoon, but I see, look, definitely 30 cents definitely coming in. I believe 30 cents is coming in by the end of August, maybe even sooner. Right now, Doge is at 22 cents, 22.3. Guys, we are on fire, and there was no Elon Musk tweets. This is all 100% organic Dogecoin tokenomics. We're feeling the love. We're feeling the good vibe. This is definitely Dogecoin pump up weekend, guys. This is so amazing. Let's look at Dogecoin on the 4-hour chart. Absolutely. Look at this candle, guys. Look at that candle. That's a 6% candle on the 4-hour chart. And if you take if you take this and you draw it exactly where we are, we're above the 50. We're above the 200. We're absolutely on fire. Where's the next target? Our next target next target is 30 cents, guys. Look how close we are. 25 cents. Now we have a big resistance level at 23 cents. We have huge resistance level. We hit almost 23 cents here. You can see that right here. Let me get that out of the way. So we came pretty close to 23 cents. We came to 22.89. So, and then we got rejected because we've got a resistance at 23 cents. But I think we can definitely blow past 23 cents. If we can blow past 23 cents, we're definitely going to see the next resistance level, 25 cents, is coming in. So 23 cents is absolutely coming in, guys. I believe it. You believe it. Let's jump into some news. It's crazy. It's a crazy weekend. Woo! Doge pumping up weekend, guys. Let's get it. So, some interesting news. The Binance CEO has just stepped down. This is the U.S. Binance CEO. This is not CZ. And he's basically stepping down because of, because of differences in strategic direction. But really, I think he's getting out of town because of all this regulation that's coming up. I think he wants to be out of there because he doesn't want to be held accountable in case the SEC comes knocking on Binance US door, and he doesn't want to get indicted. So I think he's getting out of town to cover his behind because he don't want to get himself in trouble. Some other news that's what form of digital payments will there be in the future? Well, as you guys know, for retail customers to traditional banks and finance providers, digital assets are on the rise. We got many countries. We got Venezuela now looking at a CBDC. We have China who already has a CBDC. So we're looking at a huge number of companies who realize, and banks and institutions understand, that the digital currency, the digital revolution is here to stay, and they either have to adapt it or die. So they need to innovate, adapt, or die. So you can see many of these assets promise to disrupt the financial markets and large incumbents. And while they have received widespread attention, they haven't quite achieved their potential. That said, large institutions are taking notice. 86% of the world's central banks are now exploring digital currencies, according to the report of Bank for International Settlements. So you can see that in 2023, I think that digital currencies are going to be the norm, and by 2025, you're going to see most of the world have their own CBDC. It's just a matter of time. Crypto is going to explode. It's here. It's inevitable. You know it's inevitable. So guys, without further delay, let's jump into the marks, the marketing marks. Right now, it's huge, 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 huge. Let me give this a refresh, just to make sure everything's minty fresh for you guys out there. So I'm just so fired up. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is now trading at 43,779. Amazing. We're up 7.64%. And right now the total market cap is up over 7% now, guys. That's amazing. Ethereum right now is at 3,041. That's almost 10% in a single day. Amazing, guys. BNB is up 356. That's up over 6%. ADA also 6%, $1.46. My Doge right now is up 12%. Doge is breaking out. Boom, guys. Boom, yada, yada. This is what I've been waiting for. All of us have been waiting for. All the weak Nazis that went to bed and said that Doge is not going anywhere. All the weak Nazis that said Doge is going down, down. Well, it ain't going down. Right here, it's gone up. And all I got to say to all you people that doubted the OG, doubted the Dogecoin community, all I got to say is, who is right? Who is wrong? Take that to the bank. So all of you guys that had diamond hands and hell and dollar cost averaging, you guys should be making bank. You guys should be making dollar, 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 dollar. Woo! Let's get it. I'm so excited. So Doge is up, guys. It's Saturday here in Asia. 12%. Who wouldn't want 12%? Fantastic, fantastic. I love it. I love it. Let's take a look at the let's take a look at the daily crypto trade signals portfolio in the house. Let's update that. Wow, guys, can you believe it? The daily crypto trade signals portfolio that we made on July 2nd together in a live stream. Remember, this portfolio is for educational purposes, and if you choose to copy it, you do that at your own risk. We are not responsible, and we are not financial advisors. Look at our portfolio, guys. We are up almost 27%. Look at that, 27%. We are in profit, $1,361. And that's all just over a month. Our total value of our portfolio right now is $6,360. So all of the members and all of the people who follow the OG, if you decided to copy this portfolio for educational purposes only, you are making bank. Congratulations to all of you that in just over 30 days, 38 days, you guys have made 27%. Tell me right now what mutual fund, what bank, what term deposit can make that kind of interest. No way, no how. We did it. We're doing it. Woo! All right, guys. So that being said, guys, can you guys do me a favor right now? Go to my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. We have a miserable, pitiful 1,378 people on Twitter. We need to get that up to 2,000, guys. Help the OG out. Do it now. Do it, do it, do it. And don't forget, guys, if you love the OG, please smash the likes, subscribe, and please go to the description of every video. Remember, this is not financial advice. Follow my links right now. Follow me on Patreon. Support the channel. Buy the channel a coffee, okay? Also, go to Zen Music Addict right here. Do it now. Subscribe over there if you want. This is the best place for relaxing music, meditative music. If crypto is stressing you out, go here. This is the wife's channel. Yes, I'm shilling for the wife channel, but it really helps. I mean, David Ricine, he's got back problems. He's having trouble sleeping. He's been watching this and has been helping out, guys. So one final thing, guys. Don't forget to go to my shop. Click the link in the description. Go to my shop. Check out my merch. We got hoodies. We got bags. We got women's t-shirts. We got the cups. We got tons of stuff, guys. You want it. You know you want it. We've also got Weak Nancy t-shirts. We got singlets. Get the Weak Nancy t-shirt. I love it. Make a statement. Tell people who you are. Tell people you love the OG. I love you guys to death. I'll see you in the next one. God bless every single one of you. Go with God. Walk with God. Hashtag Doge spreading love. Hashtag Doge pump it up. Let's get it. Diamond hands. I'm all fired up. Let's get it. Woo!